Awesome brightness. Each light has 10 pcs high-quality SMD LEDs to output super bright amber light, high brightness of turn signal light, low brightness for tail light, improving visibility and ensuring you a safer night. Easy installation. Comes with grommets for surface mount, also added a 3-prong watertight plug with attached wire. For installation, you just need to surface mount the grommets light setup, and then connect the 3 wires to the corresponding wires on vehicles. Hole size for surface mount is 6.6 inches x 2.5 by 1.75. Upgraded unique design. Light has unique ears on its 2 sides, upgrade notches on the inside of the grommet, and a tighter attaching ability between the 3-prong plug in it. These help the light fit perfectly and firmly on the grommet, and the 3-prong plug attaches tightly to the light. Shakeproof, there will be no worries of loosing light or wires. Ready for the weather. Be highly silicone sealed, IP67 waterproof rating, always be ready for different kinds of weather attack. Universal application. Work on a 12 volts DC system, function as left turn signals right turn signals light, tail light for all kinds of trucks, trailers, tractors, semi-trailer, horse trailer, travel trailer, dump truck, special vehicle, etc. Just make sure the hole size before you purchase. Specifications: tail light size with grommet, 7.5*3. 3 inches *1.75, hole size, 6.6, *2.5, *1.75 inches LED quantity, 10 pcs each light, high-quality SMD and super bright LED color, amber working voltage, 12 volts DC waterproof rate, IP67 output high and low brightness, work as left, right turn signals light and tail light package include 6 oval amber tail light 6 oval rubber grommet 3-pin connector. Top reviews from the United States. Good value. Good quality.